Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the 1000 day challenge. So this is day 403, so let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, you'll notice the equity has a huge jump for both the main trading account setup and a small jump for the experimental trade setup. So basically, actually, when the spike for Bitcoin today, it actually took my profit level. I also actually had to drop because of the Ethereum that was actually being triggered in terms of the drop itself. So Ethereum didn't manage to hit the target, whereas Bitcoin did. So on the other end, for main trading account, like what I mentioned, I've been in a long setup for I think close to half a month. So there was a swing trade kind of setup. Basically, finally hit the trading stop loss after this strong pullback earlier today, actually happening right now. So I basically took my profit and it is what it is right now. So yeah, otherwise, if you look in terms of the daily market structure update itself, I would say US market is basically still looking to be overextended, but that doesn't mean they cannot continue to be overextended for extended period of time. So I would say the dollar cost average on a monthly basis and be cautious and stick to having maybe building up your buffer so that in the event whereby there's a greater kind of discount, then perhaps you can buy more in that sense. On the other hand, ASHR looks to be great. There's a potential break that's happening right now today itself that is breaking the downslope trend line. Yeah, so that'll be probably the only interesting thing that I'll talk about. So yeah, you can take a sheet over that. So yeah, you can see this downslope trend line is being broken. In addition to that, I mentioned that there was two key resistance in play, or three to be matter of fact, which is the 200-day exponential moving average, the 50-day simple moving average, and also the downslope trend line. So breaking all these three in a single round with volume would be great, but right now you can see the volume is not yet to be shown yet. So I wouldn't say it's a confirmed bullish break. But bear in mind that if we do break over here and maintain above the 50 simple moving average for at least a couple of days, there will be a very much confirmation of a shift in momentum to me just as well. All right, so for KWAP, similarly, we see the same thing, so potential rejection of the 50 simple moving average on the daily chart. But otherwise, overall, I see that we do consolidate over here is still a great sign. So yep, I'll say these two are good potential to add in position for longer term kind of investment, say the 5 to 10 years period. Whereas for the US market, just wait and hold. So for Bitcoin itself, finally, we'll just stick to the trading stop loss. If you're trading on the Bitcoin itself, I will still be using the 50-day 50 period moving average itself over here. So if it does go below and close below it, then I'll close it. Otherwise, I'll continue through it. And because if it does not, then meaning to say we are still making a clear higher high, even though we have a very strong bullish or bearish push towards the downside just as well. So yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.